Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Wave. Keeping your network drivers up to date on Windows 11 can solve connectivity problems and improve performance. Here's how to update them step by step. First, open Device Manager, press Windows X and select Device Manager from the menu. Next, find network adapters in the list and check the arrow to expand it. Right-click your network adapter and choose Update Drivers. Like the pop-up window, select Search automatically for drivers. Windows will find and install the latest version if available. If that doesn't work, you can manually update the drivers. Visit the adapter's manufacturer website, find your model, and download the latest driver, run the file, and install it. Finally, restart your PC to apply the updates and ensure the changes take effect. Thank you for watching How to Wave. Like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.